Hey everyone, this is Stan Heller with VectorVest Canada. In today's video, I'm going to show you that investing doesn't have to be complicated. There is risk in investing, and everything you will see in this video is intended to teach you and educate you about the VectorVest system and should never be considered as investment advice. So investing doesn't have to be complicated. And I find that too often traders and investors fall into the notion that the more complex and complicated they make their research and their graph setups, for example, the more successful they will be. But the truth is, the more data you pour over, the more indicators you add to your charts, the more likely you are to get overwhelmed and frustrated. Your decisions don't get better, they just take longer. And that's why VectorVest has designed a system that doesn't just hand you a blizzard of data and leave you to figure it out. We give you vital information displayed to analyze, rank, and sort any group of stocks so that you can make quicker, better decisions about which stocks that you might consider buying and owning. So with that, I'm just going to take off the webcam, and the three things that you can do to simplify your trading, and they're spelled out in the Welcome tab that we'll take a look at in a minute. First of all, build a watch list. It's easy to do in VectorVest. Add the stocks that you own to a watch list where you can analyze, sort, and rank them. And then learn to read the graphs. And VectorVest graphs are vibrant and they give you the information you need, including the earnings per share as well as the price action, so that you can make really good decisions about when to buy and what to buy and when you have to consider selling a stock. And then heed the color guard. There's always a better time to buy, a safer time to buy stocks, and the color guard is like a traffic light on the home page of VectorVest where it signals whether it's okay to buy stocks or whether it's not okay and you should wait for a better opportunity. So with that, let's go into the program, and I'll start with Canada. We'll go to the US in a minute. Move Canada over. So here's that Welcome tab that I mentioned earlier. So it's a great area to start your journey with the VectorVest program. A tutorial to learn how to build a watch list and take the guesswork out of managing your portfolio. So that's all explained as you create your first watch list in this tutorial. And then VectorVest graphs are powerful tools for gaining critical decision-making insights. And this tutorial will show you how to get the most out of your graphs. And I'm going to show you the VectorVest simple layout today. And I think you'll find it quite an amazing and simple way to analyze a stock and really make good decisions. And then heed the color guard so that you have a traffic light, essentially knowing when to buy stocks, when it's okay to buy, and when it's not okay to buy, and when you might want to manage the positions you own even just a little bit more tightly. So that color guard video is here as well. So let's just start by going to the home page. This is that heed the color guard right here in the middle of your software, and at the end of the close here on March 25th, we could see that the color guard is somewhat bearish, and VectorVest does not advocate buying any stocks at this time. So we are in a long-term uptrend, that's the confirmed call, but the short-term trend in the first column of the trend column is down, and so we just want to wait until we start to see some more yellow after all these red lights, moving into more green lights before we go ahead and buy stocks. Very simple, and the Welcome tutorial spells it out for you. And then in terms of building a watch list, we go to the Viewers tab. And of course, the largest watch list in the program with all 2,800 stocks is the Stock Viewer. And you notice that they're all ranked and sorted by value, safety, and timing, which is our combination of relative value, relative safety, and RT. And it's a vector formula with extra weighting on the timing or the RT that gives us the top stocks in the list. And then when we want to create a watch list, we go to the watch list viewer, and we have a watch list group already set out for you. You can create as many groups as you like and as many watch lists as you like. It's just a simple button here with a drop down menu, create a new watch list or create a new group. The new group is essentially your master file folder, and the watch list are the files in that folder. And then, for example, if I click on a watch list that's already created, notice again that they're ranked initially by value, safety, timing, but by left clicking on relative timing, if this is a portfolio of stocks that I own, and I'll auto fit all the columns, then I can see that I have some stocks that are doing very well. They're buy rated, many of them. They have higher VST scores. And then we've got some sell rated stocks that are really falling in price. And those are the ones that will cause our portfolio to pull back, and potentially, if we let them go too far, they will really cause our portfolio to lose ground where it'll be very difficult to gain it back. So to avoid that, we sort by RT, and we can manage that watch list very easily. And we can create a watch list of stocks that we are following that we might consider buying when they get this buy rating, or we can follow the VectorVest watch list. We've got some excellent ones, special watch lists. We have our master retirement watch list. If I come to the bottom row, you can see very high relative value, relative safety scores. This watch list is updated every week on the Monday night. And if I right click and view the graph, just over the last period, it's done very, very well. Kind of stalling out a little bit like a lot of stocks right now, in a little bit of a period of weakness right now. But overall, bottom left to top right over the last year, and that's what we're looking for. And then, so that's the watch list, that's the heed, the color guard. And then in terms of analyzing our stocks with graphs, I'll go back to the stock viewer. And again, we're sorted by VST. I'm just going to click Graph All. And initially it takes you to a default sort. It's the VectorVest layout. And you can see a 40-day moving average with relative timing. Our master indicator, we saw it numerically on a scale of 0 to 2, along with the other fundamental indicators in VectorVest. But here it is on a graph. So we've got the technical indicators. If we want more, we've got all the proprietary indicators in VectorVest, as well as volume, dividend information. We can actually plot dividends right on the graph. And we have technical indicators, ADX, MACD, Bollinger Bands, RSI, stochastics. But I'm going to show you a way that we teach in our Successful Investor course to analyze your stocks, at least your initial analysis, to find really great stocks that are rising in price where earnings is also rising. So I'm going to change my layout just by left clicking on Graph Layouts, and I'll click on VectorVest Simple. And that gives me a simple layout with price. This thin blue line is our stop price, where if we fall below that, it's a warning and we need to consider selling the stock. You don't know how long or how far it's going to fall. And not only that, even if it doesn't fall drastically, it is a period where you're not really making any money, and there may be better candidates out there for you to add to your portfolio. So I'm going to just add one thing to the graph layout, add parameter, price volume. I do like to see the volume on the graphs. This is a one-year graph. We can go back weekly and go back as far as we like in Canada, back to 2003 when VectorVest came to Canada. In the US software, we go back to 1996. But for now, I'm just going to look at the top VST stocks currently and just show you some ways to analyze these stocks. So what we're looking for is rising price, bottom left to top right. We did have a period here where there was certainly consolidation and no upward movement, and then price really took off here. We did get a buy rating initially back here where price started to move above previous highs, and the relative timing I want you to see here was also starting to gain momentum. It's a trend, momentum, magnitude of move, direction indicator, and now we're really seeing the strength of that move as we build up, and earnings per share has been rising all along. I don't know of any other service where we can actually track earnings per share. This is historical and future earnings combined, where we use analysts' reports to give us a one-year forecast of earnings. So if earnings continues, this is where it should be 1 year from now. So now it simplifies our whole stock selection process, because we can see when relative timing is building, that price is building. We see earnings per share starting to rise. We can look at volume, see that we're seeing some volume spikes along the way up. So this is one of the better petroleum stocks over the last several months, and we could see the momentum building and earnings rising. And of course, we got a buy rating at about $3.20, and now it's at $10.68. So here's IAG again, weakness in the relative timing, showing us that momentum is out of that price action, and then it started to rise, earnings started to rise, and price took off. And again, we went from $52 to $69 currently. Here's Trisura, and look at the earnings on Trisura. That's what we like to see. Period of stagnation here, or consolidation, contraction, whatever you want to call it, and then the breakout with good, strong relative timing and earnings per share. Do you see how simple it is? So this is a stock that's thinly traded. We wouldn't consider that one, but earnings is rising. Here's DO. This has been certainly on the radar of our VectorVest subscribers for several years now, and look at the earnings really ramping up again after the COVID crisis, and then price really taking off. So did get a bit of a sell rating, which again, you could manage it closely during this time, but just don't let it get away from you. Or you can follow the VectorVest sell rating, sell the stock, and buy it back on the next buy, which was about $74, and we're up to $102. And look at the strength of relative timing holding this entire time. Yes, it has peaks and valleys, but it's really holding well above 1 on that 0 to 2 scale. So in terms of stock selection, managing a position between your watch list and your graphs, I think you can see how you can really achieve some spectacular results, or at least consistent results. Not always spectacular, I can tell you, but consistent results, and have the confidence in the stocks that you're buying. So here's titanium really moving up. You can see the strength in the relative timing, building strongly here and holding up at the top of the scale, and earnings per share rising. That's what we're looking for. So I want to show you that on the Canadian side. Everything I've shown you works the same on the US side, and I can just bring that over as well. And I'm just in the stock viewer, but again, we have the welcome tab with our tutorials and videos. We have the home page with our color guard. This is what it looked like on March 25th. And then I'll go to the viewers tab, and again, we have our watch list viewer where we can create our watch lists or use the watch lists in the VectorVest program that are pre-built. Some excellent resources here. For example, here's a cherry picking folder with the Midas Touch stocks, high momentum stocks. We have the dividend payers with DRIPs, 25 years of increasing their dividends, 10 to 24 years increasing their dividends. So some really terrific watch lists. Of course, the Dow, the SPX, Russell, NASDAQ watch lists are all in here as well. But let's just go back to the stock viewer just again to show you how easy it is, how simple this method is, and our instructors for the Successful Investor program really drill this home in a very strong 6-week course that I'll tell you about in a minute. But let's just look at the stock viewer and our top VST stocks, those that have high relative safety, high relative value, the upside potential, anything on a scale of 0 to 2 that's above 1, and the higher the number, the stronger it is. So we've got some strong scores in here. The Comfort Index tells us how resilient stock price is, looking at the historical pricing, and of course all the other indicators as we go along, a very strong, vast spreadsheet with volume, sales, market cap, dividend information all the way along. Let's just quickly look at a couple of stocks here as well. So again, I'm on a 1-year graph, and I'm just going to add the volume here as well. And we have average volume we could add to the graph as well. Okay, and there's volume, so I'll just add that volume. So I've got the graph set up here the way I like it for VectorVest Simple. You can just put price and earnings per share on and have terrific results, but I like this layout. Look how well price has respected the stop price in VectorVest. It's been buy rated right from this date back here. That was on September 30th, and it was at $48, and it's risen to $136. Look at the earnings, and look at how well the relative timing has stayed above the 1.0 level. Just very, very strong. So you could have stepped in and made purchases here anytime on any little pullback. You could have stepped in and bought a great stock. And Louisiana Pacific here, same thing. Look at the relative timing. Once it got strong and held at this level, there were many buying opportunities along the way up, and there's the earnings per share. So this type of graph layout makes it very easy to identify potential buying opportunities. Truly, this one, we like to see price rising from bottom left to top right. There was a lot of downside pressure here, so this might not have been on your radar until it got into those high VST scores, but now it's really ramping up quite nicely. So there's Ultra Clean, looks really good. Look at that relative timing holding up at high levels, earnings per share. Very easy to make a good choice on these types of stocks. When you see this layout, and again, I haven't added stochastics, I haven't added MACD, I'm just looking at price action, the strength indicator and momentum of the relative timing, and the strength of the earnings per share growing all the way to the right edge. So you'll learn a lot more about this in a course that's getting underway again in VectorVest very soon. Let me go into the PowerPoint and I'll just show you. It's the Successful Investor course, 6 weeks to steady growth, and it's a complete step-by-step roadmap that shows you how to buy and sell stocks to safely and consistently grow your account by 15% per year. It's www.vectorvest.com/TSIC for Successful Investor course, the Successful Investor course. If you try it, I know you'll love it. You'll get if you're not a current subscriber to the VectorVest program, you will get access to our software throughout the course, and it's just a terrific way to learn to invest. I think maybe a little more simple and a little bit more effective with less time to grow those returns for you. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you have questions, or again, you want more information, you can, about the Successful Investor Program, call 888-658-7638. You can always drop me a quick email at stan.heller@vectorvest.ca if you have any questions about the content in today's video. And please do click on the like button if you enjoy this type of content in the VectorVest YouTube channel. It helps us grow our channel and helps us grow our VectorVest community, and we really appreciate that. So thanks for watching, everyone, and good luck investing.